Two major marketing platforms, Omnisend and MailerLite, face off in 2025. Which one really delivers? On the left, Omnisend, the e-commerce-focused omnichannel marketing powerhouse. On the right, MailerLite, affordable, simple email marketing for everyone. Let's skip the buzzwords and jump straight to the features that matter. Each category racks up points, and by the end, you'll know precisely who comes out on top. The final result just might surprise you. All right, before we start comparing, here's the game plan. We'll break this down into categories: price, automation, analytics, integrations and features, ease of use, customer support, e-commerce tools, and email builder. That's our mind map. Think of it as the roadmap to figuring out which platform rocks for what. So let's talk money first, because honestly, who isn't thinking about price these days? Okay, on Omnisend's side, they pack advanced e-commerce stuff into every plan, even the free one, which is pretty generous. But their starting price? It's definitely up higher than MailerLite, and some juicy features sit behind those top tiers. Now, MailerLite, oh man, it's a relief for your wallet. You can hop in for as little as $10 a month for 500 subscribers, plus the free plan is decent. Sure, if you want all the special features, you gotta climb up their plans. And, well, it's not exactly built with deep e-commerce in mind. Winner here? You guessed it, MailerLite sneaks away with it. Moving right along, let's hit automation. Omnisend is wild here. They've got workflows that cover email, SMS, web push, you name it. If you want triggers for cart abandonments or order confirmations, seriously, it's all baked in, whether you go pre-built or custom. The one thing is, it's super focused on e-commerce, so if you don't sell stuff online, might be overkill. MailerLite, on the other hand, makes it easy peasy to whip together automations. You've got basic triggers, like dates and user behavior, and building workflows is super chill. The only catch is, it's not as deep or multi-channel as Omnisend. So if you want all those omni-channel bells and whistles, Omnisend clearly runs away with this one. All right, next up, analytics. Omnisend seriously goes hard here with revenue attribution, product tracking, cart abandonment stats, all that juicy e-com reporting. Honestly, if you just want to see who opened or clicked your newsletters, it might be total overkill. But if you want to dig into those sales numbers, it's epic. Now, MailerLite breaks it down really simply. Opens, clicks, bounces, even segment stats and A/B report combos. Downside, they don't serve up the deep e-commerce analytics. So if you need sales stuff, you'll be left wanting more. The analytics winner? Gotta give it to Omnisend. Oh, and here's something cool you might not know. Omnisend actually pioneered those Wheel of Fortune email pop-ups for gamified lead capture. Yeah, those little spinning wheels that make you want to drop your email in just for a discount. Omnisend started it. All right, integrations and features. This one's fun. Omnisend brings in the big guns for online stores. Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, even adds cool gamified forms and pop-ups. Plus, it's multi-channel, letting you fire off emails, SMS, and web push. But, little bummer, MailerLite actually has more integrations overall. So, MailerLite rocks with 139 plus integrations, and you get an awesome drag-and-drop editor too. Sadly, no SMS or web push unless you upgrade. And, oh, if you want transactional emails, you're looking at an add-on called MailerSend. Both have their quirks. Honestly, this one's a tie. Ease of use. This one matters if you don't want to spend your weekend banging your head against your laptop, right? Omnisend is pretty straightforward, especially for folks running stores. But here's the thing. If you're not e-commerce, some tools might feel confusing or, a little random for your needs. Now, MailerLite, user-friendly, super intuitive, and campaign setups are a breeze. Some people say the editor glitches out once in a while, but compared to others, it's nearly stress-free. So, for a chill, easy ride, MailerLite takes this one. Let's pivot to customer support. Omnisend says, we got you. They offer 24/7 help, even if you're still rocking their free tier. That's rare these days, not gonna lie. MailerLite's support is solid too, with good chat and email options, plus loads of docs and tutorials. But if you're on their free plan, you don't get live support all the time, so there is a catch. If you want someone backing you up round the clock, Omnisend wins. E-commerce tools brace for an e-com flex. Omnisend gives you product pickers, dynamic discount codes, revenue tracking, and deep segmentation based on your customers' purchases. Basically, it's built for sellers who want to squeeze every drop of value out of their data. MailerLite keeps it simple, basic Shopify or WooCommerce connections. But yeah, it doesn't really dig in with all those funky e-commerce triggers or reports. So, Omnisend is obviously ahead here. Last main category, let's chat email builders for a sec. Omnisend steps in with multiple editors, all with dedicated e-commerce pieces. It's versatile, if not the flashiest. On the flip side, MailerLite rocks the drag-and-drop vibe, plus rich text and HTML if you want to geek out. The classic editor is a bit pokey at times, but overall, both make building emails pretty painless, so nothing crazy separating these two. A solid tie. If you're keeping score, Omnisend landed big wins in automation, analytics, support, and, of course, e-commerce tools. MailerLite's strengths are price, ease of use, and, funny enough, has a tie game in integrations and email builder. So, depending on what you need, these scores matter. Okay, bottom line, if running an online store is your thing and you want to crush it across email, SMS, and web push, and actually see your sales impact, honestly, Omnisend is your best bet. But if you're just looking for a budget-friendly, simple email platform you can set up without pulling your hair out, go MailerLite. Both are solid, but yeah, pick what matches your style. If you want to see more crazy MarTech battles like this, hit that bookmark button, all right? You don't want to miss what's coming next.